Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Flaming Profits here with this video today. Before we get started, I did want to let you all know, for those that don't have Robinhood already, it's an application that you can use to invest in the stock market. It's free to download and free to use. They charge you no commission. If you do not have this account already, you can actually get started now and get a free stock. As soon as you open your account, if you use this link that I have here on the screen. But anyways, we'll get started with this video. So today I will be revealing my $9,000 Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to show you my progress, how much I've earned as a total return from my initial investment, as well as all the stocks that I have in my portfolio. Alright, so here we go. So right now my current value of my portfolio is $9,321. I'm making my way to 10,000. I'll make an update video when I get there. And I have right now like about a 9% total return. I started this account with 8,479, 383, somewhere around there. And as you can see, I had some good growth. But there recently, I had a big investment with Facebook. It made my account drop almost $2,000 from my peak right there. But as you know, with investing, you have to tolerate dips in the markets, stuff like that. You have to have the emotional strength to hold on and wait until you recover. This right here is the Activision Blizzard stock that I own. I have 12 shares at the moment. I am working towards a swing trade with this position. As you see, it had a huge sell-off, and I'm buying a lot right now that it's low and buying as it starts growing. This is Nvidia. I'm making a swing trade investment with this. I'm taking advantage that the price is low compared to its usual price. NIO, this is a bad investment that I made. It had its IPO recently, and this is why you should avoid IPOs. They're very volatile when they first get released to the market. I know Lyft recently had their IPO released, and I would avoid it as well for the same reason. I've been in 2 investments where this same thing happened when I invested in an IPO. This is IQ, the Netflix of China, basically. This is the same thing I'm talking about, where they recently had their IPO and I bought into it, and it didn't turn out great. This is Weibo, the Google of China, pretty much. It's a pretty solid stock, but it did have a huge sell-off right now with the recent trade war tension that we're having with China. And I have a video on how to reduce your losses with buying stocks. I'll put a link in the description if you want to look at this. But yeah, other than that, I do have a lot of holdings on Dividend Aristocrats and Dividend Kings. I'm a huge dividend investor. What that means is that every 3 months, these companies pay you money directly to your account that you can then use to invest it or to put it into your bank account. But Dividend Aristocrats are a special kind of dividend stocks. They're stocks that have been paying and increasing their dividend every single year for 25 years or more. And all of these that I'm showing you are all Dividend Aristocrats. I also own some Dividend Kings. I actually own all the Dividend Aristocrats and all the Dividend Kings. I have 1 share of each. And this is a great thing about Robinhood. They don't charge you any fee whatsoever for any share that you buy in any company. So buying 1 share of any company that you want is not a problem. Usually it's not worth it just buying 1 share for major brokerages because they charge you a fee. So they usually buy more at a time. But you can take advantage of this fact that you don't have to pay anything with Robinhood. So you can have a really diversified portfolio by you just owning 1 share. And you can obviously add more shares through time without any fees. But yeah, I also was explaining Dividend Kings. Dividend Kings are special kind of dividend stocks that have been increasing and paying dividend consecutively for 50 or more years. So instead of 25 years like Dividend Aristocrats, Kings have been paying and increasing their dividend for 50 years. So it's pretty safe to assume that if you invest in Dividend Aristocrats and Dividend Kings, you're pretty much going to have a life income of dividend yields coming into you, dividend payments, as well as dividend increases from the original price that you bought it for. so the percentages of returns will increase through time, and you can continue adding shares to all the Dividend Aristocrats and Kings that you want. If you want a full list of all the Dividend Aristocrats and Dividend Kings, I'll put the links in the descriptions for you to check out. It's a great investing strategy that has been making my portfolio a winning portfolio that's always increasing in value. This one actually wasn't an IPO recently. It was just recently added to Robinhood. That's why it looked like that. But yeah, all of these are Dividend Kings and Aristocrats. This is genuine parts. And one thing you'll notice about Dividend Kings and Aristocrats, since they've been in the market for a really long time, so that they have pretty good fundamentals for them to be able to stay in the market for that long. I want to hear from you guys. Do you all have a Robinhood portfolio? What's your total return from the moment you started? I'm curious to see what percentage you have grown your portfolio from your initial investment. I also want to help those who maybe want more help in certain topics. You can let me know what you don't understand about investing. That way I can make a specific video about that to answer your question. So let me know in the comments any questions you guys might have. Also, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I have a passion for investing and finance as well, entrepreneurship. If you have any questions regarding those, I would love to help. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you. Quick reminder, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to show your support. If you subscribe, you'll be in the loop for any new videos that I release.